Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to replace your side light on a Nissan Qashqai. Now, if you don't know what light to buy, there's a yellow sticker on the side of the headlight assembly which tells you which light to get for your side lights, your indicators, your full beams, dip beams, everything. So in order to get the side light out, first things first, just be very careful of this metal bar right here. You can scratch yourself, which is why I'm wearing gloves. Just get to the side light, twist it in anti-clockwise direction and pull it out. As you can see, I've already removed my light because it wasn't working before, and I'm going to replace it with a 501, which is the light I need for my Qashqai. Now, it's probably a good idea to have the lights at hand before we start the work, so you don't have to fiddle around like me. Normally, I would say to leave the light bulb out once you put it back in, just to test if everything's okay. But because it's quite easy to get to here, I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to put it back inside. So all you have to do is slot it back in. The direction doesn't really matter. Just line up these little notches that you see into the slot and put it in like that. And once it's in, just need to twist it in a clockwise direction so that it locks back in place. Can be a little fiddly sometimes. There we go. And now we're just going to check. And there we go. And that's how you replace a side light.